I'll touch it.
I don't mind touching it, but I'm going to back up pretty fast.
Here, let me do it. I'll do it. I'm closer.
Don't hurt him.
Golly.
Is he dead?
Nah.
I don't think he's dead. I think
No.
he's scared to death. There he goes.
He just moved his head. Okay.
Oh, look, he's looking.
I can't believe he's not doing something like rattling.
If he starts coming this way,
Go back up.
I'm gonna stab it.
No,
No,
you're not. You are
don't.
not stabbing him with my
No,
stick.
if it's coming at me.
No, you get mine. You can have your stick, but you can't stab him with my stick.
I can't believe he's not rattling or getting out of here.
Okay,
He's curious. He wonders what we're up to.
well, we haven't seen a person for a long time, so
Ever.
maybe ever.
Maybe ever.
Didn't even know what we are, probably.
Come on, buddy, give us a
Come on out.
a show.
Well, give me my stick then.
Don't hurt him.
I won't hurt him unless he comes after us. I'll flick him down the hill or something.
Yeah, you won't have a chance.
Just this one up on a stick, just like this. You put it in a cooler, bring it up so you see the kids. We were in the Red River Gorge, weren't we, Meg? Or Linville Gorge.
I can't believe he's not doing something.
I
Can
think
you
he's
put
just trying to
your stick on the right of him and
Here.
try and push him to the left?
I want to see him in the sun.
I want to